natin mga tao ay may buhay rin na di dapat patayin sa ngalan lamang na magpapalawak ng mga kalsada at modernisasyon. Kinilala siya bilang Outstanding Teacher of the Philippines noong 1996 at nagkamit ng Most Outstanding Pampangan Award for Education. Mga kaibigan, malubon na iginagawa ng The Angelite ang Outstanding Contribution for Environmental Protection Award ay binibining Cecil Yumul, isang guro at tunay na alagad ng kalikasan.
I would like Mrs. Wilkerson to come up here and yan mo pong imakunin at my mom is gone. Before my mom died last year, in one of her lucid conversations, ala, away, ala na siguro ma, you are my greatest reward. But tonight, Mama Tess is here. She'll be standing with me. So think ko pa rin, Ima. Both heaven and earth. I would like to accept this award in behalf of all the students. We call them the Green Army because they are from grade school, high school, and college, who together with artists, ila pong menimuna, karetang balang multong, makapintura, karing tanaman. And one of them is a faculty member here now, Mr. Hermenegildo Pineda, and the rest of the artists na nagtalabastagan, the Pampanga Arts Guild, ang po po rin hanggang Tagalalang na ning Pampanga. Ila po rin kayabe po rin rock bands, den musikero. Because we thought it was going to be a long struggle and we cannot fight those who are in power. So sabi mi, let us do it through the power of the art and music. And it was heard and it was seen the world over. Even Singapore News called us and we were interviewed by Miss Lin of the producer then of Heritage Hunters. So to all the Green Army, dahil nga pong kayanakan, and of course, kini pong katatalakaran po ngeni, it is really full of trees, telling us that Holy Angel is true to its mission. God is always on top. It's nice to be back home. To the President, President Arlen, to Robbie, to Chess, to Batch 81, Vice President na, Crossroader. Are you a father? Vice President Cortez, I think. You haven't changed much except that your hair is less curly than in high school when you were running. Dakal pong salamat at ima ko po, Mantes. May I correct? 1992 po, kasi nung 1996 sala na ako huli. So may I correct? Niya pong big number 1 ko, Rirabi mo rin po, di Miss Arlene Sicaco Villanueva. I was in her college then, and Robbie's college, ACAS. And of course, it was Ima, who also, I think I nominate them. So, dakal salamat. It's nice to be back home.
Salamat, binibining Cecil Yumul.
At syempre, yan ang ating mga nagsipagpugi ng Angelite of the Year Special Awardees. At sa punto pong ito, nais po namin tawagin ang nagpasimula ng Sagip Sapang Balen. Ikinalulugod pa po namin ipakilala si Archbishop Pablo Virgilio David. Palakpakan po natin siya.
May pabengin po kaya kayungan. Panyawat ko pong kapanupayan ng pangayatraso ko at I had a talk at 6 o'clock in the evening. At masaya na man po na ating may represent ka na po ng Dimiyabyeya ini pong award pikalog na ng Angelites so Holy Angel University. At baloy po, actually I'm very awkward about receiving awards. Biniyanda ko pong Most Outstanding Kapampangan Award, I did not even show up. I sent one of my assistants in the parish to accept the award for me. But this one, I think I have to be present personally. Anya tinagal ko po, pelikwanan kong makatagal. Because Holy Angel University is one of our most precious partners, King Holy Rosary Parish. Karengan na pong offer me of partnership Alaya Ali in Holy Angel University. And we started another partnership, piningking good governance naman. And our Parish Pastoral Council for Responsible Politics is introducing lectures on good governance. Lectures that will have an immediate effect in the immediate environment, King Angeles City, especially the LGUs for capacity building. At nandin, I was very happy to learn that our first invited guest has said yes to our invitation already, and that's Secretary Jesse Robredo. So he is going to come. He said yes, and I think if the Secretary of the Department of DILG, local government, is going to come, I think all the other LGUs will be pressured to come also. Mayor, I expect you to be there too. Huh? Thank you. So we're inviting the barangays, especially the LGUs on the lowest level, because good governance has to begin from the most basic building blocks of our society, and these are the barangays. In tungkol po kayong Sagip Sapang Balen,